Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Leah Densing, 29 years old. I'm a single woman with one daughter, 12 years old, and I'm a high school graduate. I live in Davao City, Philippines. I have experience here in the Philippines for 5 years and 4 months since April 2019 until August 2024. My duties is to serve the family of 3, 2 adult and 1 newborn baby, and I also take care of one dog. I also doing general household work, especially cooking and marketing, and sometimes I'm doing car washing and gardening. I'm an independently working and trustworthy and a hardworking woman, and especially I'm a kind and honest person. See you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.